Good morning. Uh, that are pellets for the horses, not for the birds. There's Harry. Hey, Harry. Was that a little Winnie? Hey. He's this high, this small. And I'm glad they are eating well. And I dewormed them this week. So in a couple of days I check if they still have the worms. And then they finally can go into the pasture. Hey. Oh, Rijntje. But there's no water anymore. I bring them new water. Tajerijn. Now they are friends again. Okay, I try it like this. Hey, Peach. Glendy, please. Tajerijn. Hille. Cutie. Kom maar, Sally. Hille. Kom. Oh no. What did you do? Oh, I have to look at that. She's not lame, so that's okay. But I try to fix it. Rijntje, this is your stall. And that's Rijsie and Tajerijn. And Rijntje is still in heat. Okay. Be careful, please. What do I think about this? Oh, Rijsie can't choose. Yes. Goed zo. Yes. Tajerijn. Doe maar. Yik. He's farting. Kom op. Nou, Rijntje. Ja, doe. No. Come on. Rijntje, you're not helping. Doe maar. Rijntje, can you please go out? Please? Please don't fart. Oh, horses are strange. Doe maar, Rijntje. Maar. Sally, I checked her hoof. En ja, ik heb haar hoef even gecheckt. En een stukje wat los zie je, dat ik er ook knipt. Dus ik hoop dat het nou gewoon rustig is. Yes, that one. Hopefully this is enough. And otherwise I do it again later. Or not, Hille? And I put on this. Good morning. Time to clip Rijntje. Juga en Raya. The horses think that's a very strange dog. A white one. Boukje, Belle en Blomke. There's Blomke. There's my dad working on the house. Hey, Rijsie. Hi. Rijntje en Tyrone. And I need to clip you too. And Rijntje too. Okay, I didn't have enough time, so I thought I stop. I quit. So this side I did. And this part and that not. Oops. Sally en Hille. Hey Bella. Bella en Daisy. En Harry. Kom. Goed zo. Kom Harry. This way. Kom. Harry. Goed zo. I got some carrots for all the horses. Tyrone, Rijsie, Rijntje, Hille, Sally, Boukje, Bella. Hallo? Bella? Hey. Hey Bella. Blomke. Juke. Peach. Glendy. Daisy. Hey. And Harry. And we got the carrots from one of you. This carrot is as huge as your head. You don't have teeth yet. No, there's not milk coming out. It's for your mom. Sure. Oh, what? It was a little Winnie. Hey, Glendy. Peach. Are you finished with your pellets? Come on. She will find it. Hey, Bella. Boukje. Well, here. Sally. Oh, first the pellets. Rijntje. And it's gone. Rijsie. En Tyrone. Juka? Okay. Bye. Juka? Yik.